Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to disable the Steam Family View pin. First, open your Steam app and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, click on your profile at the top and select Account Details. Next, scroll down and click on Family Management. This is where all Family View settings are managed. Now look for the option Disable Family View. Click on it, read the confirmation prompt carefully, and then confirm your choice. This will remove the Family View pin and give full access to your Steam account and library. If you face any issues or cannot disable Family View, go to the Help tab in Steam and select Steam Support. Then choose My Account, followed by Family View. Fill out the form with the details of your issue and click Send. Steam Support will assist you further. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can remove Family View restrictions and enjoy full access to your Steam account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.